This might be one of the coolest things I've ever bought. This is a 2002 Animal Crossing GameCube GameStop countertop lenticular store display. Little bit of a mouthful, but yeah, this thing is just freaking amazing. As you can see, when you move it from right to left, you can see different images on the display. It alternates between a red house, post office, and the Able Sisters building. I'm moving soon, so I can't display this right now, but when I get moved in and I get my new game room set up, you better believe this bad boy is gonna be front and center. I'm really not looking forward to moving all of these freaking games though, it's kinda gonna suck. If anybody has any pro moving tips, please let me know in the comments. You guys are probably wondering, Cake, how much did you pay for this freaking thing? Well, I got it for only $20. Plus 140 bucks shipping. Yeah, despite shipping being an arm and a leg, I still did not mind buying it at all. This thing is an absolute beaut. Was it worth it?